everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to talk about Dr. Dinesh's magnetic resonance repair mask. It comes with a magnet, and I'm going to tell you all about it right now. It is unlike anything that you will ever use or feel on your skin. It has iron powder within it. Once the magnet hits your face and you're wiping away the product, it's leaving behind precious oils that are so good for your skin. Galvanic energy, which is generated between the iron particles. It's very important for your skin, which is why when you will do this mask, you'll notice that your skin will become so much more rosy. You have Amaranth Extract, jojoba oil, shea butter, you have Resveratrol, rose hip oil, avocado oil. Part of this mask. You ever have to wash off a mask and your hair gets wet, or this part of your sleeve and you have to wait for your sleeve to dry? You do not have to do that with this mask, okay? Distribute the mask evenly onto clean skin, and you're going to want to wait for about 7 to 10 minutes, which is not bad at all. Increase the moisture level of your skin by 69.7%. So to remove the mask, what you'll want to do is you have two options, whatever you're comfortable with. You're going to want to take just a tissue, okay, and you're going to just wrap it around and then use it on your skin, or you could just have, tissues nearby and go in directly with the magnet on your face. Magic before your eyes, okay? Magnet, and watch it as it's pulling out things from your pores. Not only is it adding back that beautiful moisture, but it's also preventing aging, which is what we want. I can't get over my skin. I love this product so much. Mwah.